Hello again, welcome to today's attempt at the Polygonle puzzle. I'm trying to guess a word and where the shape of the top is repeated, the letter is repeated. So for example, if it's an ing ending, we would have to have an I and an N in there. So it could be knifing. That's very unlikely to be correct. I don't think they would have such a word with such negative connotations. How about if it's EST? Or what about ERS? That's another possibility. I suppose this could be prefers. That's a nicer word for kniving or knifing. Let's go for this and see what happens. Oh, and what does happen is we've got a duplicated E, but not in the right place. So those two are E's. So it's definitely not an ing ending. That's probably where the R goes. But now what are we doing here? It's going to be a vowel in the middle and a consonant here and here. It will be the same consonant, of course. It's probably a D or an R at the beginning. Maybe it's an R at the beginning and a D at the end, of course. That's the other possibility. Oh, you really should be able to get this. Regauged? Something like that. But obviously not quite like that. Let's put that back to being the R, because it doesn't have to be an R and a D in first and last, of course. This really looks like it should be a T or a G or something like that. But I can't get either of them to work. N is a possibility? No. Let's go back to putting D's here. No, I don't like that either. What is this letter going to be then? I'm aware that it doesn't have to be the A there. Oh, this is not quite as easy as I anticipated once I got those E's in the right place. Remimed? I cannot see that that is a word. Surely not. Yes. It's worth a try, just in case it gave me a bit more information. I didn't expect it to be correct, but if it was right, it would have given me some information specifically around whether the R is indeed first. I really like that TAT in the middle. But then what can this be? Oh, I don't know. Let's put the G's back. You'd want it to be N-gauged, not re-gauged. So I don't think this is likely to be correct, but let's put it in anyway and see if it accepts it. Oh, and it doesn't. That's annoying. Again, I didn't think it would be correct. I just wanted to get some more information. It can't be a duplicated R, because we had a grey R on the first row, so the R is definitely first or last, because surely this duplicated letter has to be a consonant. So that means that there can't be an R in the middle, or can there? Could there be an R in the middle? No, that's just not going to work, is it? Oh. Maybe that would work, I don't know. Duplicated I. Deicea? I don't think that's a word. No, I really don't know. I want this to be reduced or something like that, but clearly the letters are just not in the right places. What about an N or an O? I mean, this is clearly not correct, but I'm very tempted to go for it just to find out if there are D's or R's. It will kill my chances of getting it in 2, obviously, but I think I have to go for it because I'm getting nowhere. Okay, so there is an R and a D, so surely that means that it's that pattern. But what on earth goes in the middle? We've ruled out the O now as well. It's got to be an A. Well, it's definitely an A, I or U in the middle. Revived. I just didn't look at the V at all, but finally I revived my chances of getting it right by actually doing so. So that's a 3, definitely not my best, but better than a 4. I've had plenty of 2s before, but not a missed device. But yeah, not happy with that. I should have got that in 2 as well, I think. 7-letter word is easier than the 8-letter words usually, but not today. I made a mess of that. Let me know in the comments if you were shouting revived at the screen. I'm sure you were. That's the polygonal puzzle. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.